So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get a chewing stick. So you can see I'm peeling the roots. So you can see now this is my chewing stick for the day. It's a neem tree. If you want to Google it and let me know. It's very, very medicinal. So this is the tea that I'm going to have this morning, and this is the cassava tree that's like a little farm in the back garden here. These trees are very, you can make a stew with this tree. Is the cassava trees. You see cassava is in the roots. So I'm just going to get some of this tea so I can make some tea this morning. I should have brought knife, but I didn't. So in the village everything is so raw. I'm just going to get more of this tea. Get a bit of this. Now I'm going to make myself a nice tea, and then I make my tea. So guys, it's pretty simple, right? It smells so lemony, like very, very nice. I'll try to make it and then have it with a little bit cream and some buffaloes, like local donuts. So guys, stay tuned. Let me go make my tea. I'll take you through the process, like how it look like after I finish. I need to wash it, I need to rinse it properly. So stay tuned.
The tat. This is why people always have a clock.
是，我们这里
我把它光嘛，垃圾。回来，回到吧。来了。啊，完了。
哎，我给你了，我给啊。
到不了。
哎，
哎
你，叫你先叫过来，叫阿爸我了，哎。
都已经。
你就叫我。
妈的，我挂住你。过来把给我煮开。
啊，过来。我 feel 的，我不多味。What do you think?
It's good.
It's good, right?
Good.
Okay. No vio bolo.
过干嘛嘞？我把饭给吃过来，好吧？一起走，走吧。